This video is designed to help you understand the photoelectric effect. So currently I have sodium metal down here and I have red light, and I'm going to turn up the intensity and shine some red light on the sodium metal. What do you see happening? Anything? Alright, well, let's turn up the intensity. But before I do, when I turn up the intensity, what do you think is going to happen? So make a prediction first. Got your prediction? Okay, I'm going to turn it up. What happened? Anything? Nothing. Okay, so I'm going to turn the intensity back down, and now I'm going to change the wavelength. So I'm going to move it to a shorter wavelength. You can see the wavelength's getting shorter, which means what is happening to the energy? It's getting higher or lower? Okay, I keep going, and now we start to see something. So now we're in the green region, and we start to see these little things coming off the metal. These represent electrons. So now I'm emitting electrons from the metal. So now let's see what happens when I increase the intensity. I'm going to put the intensity up. When I increase the intensity, what happens? Anything? I think I see more electrons. Are they moving faster or about at the same speed? Okay, well, let's turn that intensity down again. And now we see that there are fewer electrons coming off the metal surface. But now we're going to make the wavelength shorter again. And remember, as we make the wavelength shorter, we increase the energy. And now what's happening? So now what's happening to the electrons? Do we have more electrons? Probably not so much. But what is changing about the electrons? Okay, so now I'm going to do something else. I'm going to move this light back down to the green, sort of where we first saw electrons start to come off, and I'm going to change the metal. So now instead of sodium, I'm going to have zinc. When I change the metal, what do you notice? Any electrons? No. So what do you think I should do in order to make more electrons come off? We should decrease the wavelength, or increase the energy. So let's go down into the purple region where we saw the electrons really fast off the sodium. Still nothing. What if we increase the intensity? Let's see. No. Still nothing. Alright, so let's move down into the UV region of the spectrum. Anything? Oh, we're finally seeing electrons come off. Okay, so I want you to use what you've seen here to now answer the questions that I posted on the Google form with your remind link.